How to get a good result from 11 labs. So I have gone ahead and cloned my voice, right? If I come here to voices and then I go over and click on this option right here that says my voices, you'll see this one. This is Pioneer, and I can go ahead and click on use. Now, this is how you can get a good result. When you put the text in your prompt, right? Your text to speech, you want to go ahead and make this more stable if you want it to sound exactly like you, but the more stable you make it, the more monotone it will actually sound. So you want to go ahead and reduce this a little bit, make it about 50%. If you go too low, this is what will happen. It will become unstable. Okay? It will sound more like you, but it may become unstable. So you want to put it about 50%. This is a good sweet spot. Now, similarity, you want to put this on the higher side. If you go too low, then it will not sound like you. Put it about 80%, right? Style exaggeration, keep this as none. If you put it higher, it will become unstable. Anything over 50%, it will not sound like you. Just keep it at none. Keep speaker boost on. This is the ideal settings. So let me go ahead and generate it until, let's say here. Okay, we'll generate this speech and I'll show you how this actually sounds. Through the abandoned subway station. There we go. Let's start it up again. A cold wind howled through the abandoned subway station as James stepped cautiously onto the cracked tiles, his flashlight flickering. The distant sound of dripping water echoed through the tunnels, but beneath it, he swore he heard something else. That is insane how it did such a good job, and it literally sounds like me. That is crazy, but that is how you do it, guys. Really easy and simple.